folks, I have a tenor to show you today. And it was really fun to get put together because somebody asked me to use some koa for once. It's like koa is the traditional ukulele wood, and people tend to order from me because they've already got koa ukes and they want something different. But it's nice to make one out of koa every once in a while, and for my ears to remind myself, like, oh yeah, this is what people think of when they their sense memory of what an ukulele sounds like. So anyway, this is a tenor. The body is some very simple plain koa from the Carpenter Ant stash. This was imported to make grandfather clocks in the 1960s, and I really like it because it's the kind of simple but interesting koa that most folks pass by, but I really like it. And then mahogany neck, pistachio fretboard headplate bridge, and some very simple walnut binding. Just simple. It's still a bean sprout, even if it's koa. Yeah, it just feels really good. So that is number 831. Cheers.